Welcome back. Today I'm revealing how students can make real money online in 2025, with $0 to start. Forget boring surveys or sketchy fees. I've researched 3 legit, high-earning methods you can start right now. Whether you're between classes or up late studying, you can turn spare time into cash. I'll break down each method step by step so you can get started today. All you need is a laptop and internet. No experience, no investment. Ready? Let's dive into the first and possibly easiest way to make money online. First up, microtasks. If you're looking for a way to earn money online that fits perfectly into a busy student's schedule, microtasks are the way to go. These are small, simple jobs you can do from your laptop or even your phone, whenever you have a few spare minutes. Sites like Amazon Mechanical Turk and Clickworker pay you for simple online tasks. These platforms offer a huge variety of quick gigs, from data entry and surveys to categorizing products and more. No resume, no fees, just sign up and start earning in minutes. The sign-up process is straightforward, and you don't need any special skills or experience. Tasks include labeling images, transcribing audio, or checking links, and you can pick the ones that interest you most. Each pays a little, but you can do dozens quickly. The more you complete, the more your earnings add up. Some tasks take just seconds, so you can squeeze them in between classes or while waiting for a friend. Waiting for class? Knock out a few tasks and watch your balance grow. Microtasks are perfect for filling those awkward gaps in your day, whether you're on the bus, in a cafe, or just relaxing at home. It's flexible, work anytime, anywhere, for as long as you want. There are no set hours, so you're in control. Whether you're a night owl or an early riser, you can earn whenever it suits you. Mturk is run by Amazon, so it's legit and pays directly to your bank. You can trust that your hard work will be rewarded and payments are processed reliably. Just create an account, pick tasks, and get paid when they're approved. The more accurate and consistent you are, the more opportunities you'll unlock. This is the perfect zero-investment side hustle for students. You don't need to spend a dime to get started, and every little bit you earn can help with books, snacks, or savings. Your mission: sign up for Mturk or Clickworker and start earning today. Take the first step and see how much you can make in your spare time. Let's move to method 2, where your knowledge pays off. Get ready to turn your skills into cash. Next up, online tutoring. One of the most flexible and rewarding ways to earn money from home, using skills you already have. If you're good at a subject, whether it's math, science, languages, or even music, there's someone out there who's willing to pay for your help and guidance. Websites like tutor.com and Chegg make it easy to connect with students who need tutoring, no matter where you live. You don't need a fancy setup, just a laptop, a stable internet connection, and a quiet space to teach from. The best part? You set your own hours, so you can work around your classes, job, or other commitments, and tutor the subjects you know best. Pay rates typically range from $15 to $30 or more per hour, which is much higher than what you'd earn doing microtasks or surveys online. Not only are you earning money, but you're also helping others succeed and reinforcing your own knowledge every time you teach. To get started, just create a profile on a tutoring platform, prove your skills with a quick test or sample lesson, and start booking sessions with students. You can tutor almost anything, from college-level math and science to SAT prep, essay writing, or even beginner guitar lessons. It's a steady, reliable, and genuinely rewarding way to turn your academic strengths into real cash, all while building valuable teaching and communication skills. And if you're ready to take things to the next level, let's talk about building something even bigger: content creation. Third, content creation. In today's digital world, anyone can become a creator. You don't need to be a professional filmmaker or have a fancy studio. All you need is a story to tell, a passion to share, and the courage to put yourself out there. Start a YouTube channel, TikTok, or blog with just your phone. The tools are already in your pocket, and the internet is your stage. No expensive gear needed. Free apps and your smartphone are enough. There are countless tutorials online to help you learn editing, filming, and even graphic design for your thumbnails. Share what you love: college life, your daily routines, or the unique experiences you have as a student. Dive into gaming, offer study tips, or showcase your hobbies and interests. The possibilities are endless: music, art, tech reviews, cooking, or anything you're passionate about. At first, you won't earn money, but as you grow an audience, opportunities explode. YouTube ads, TikTok Creator Fund, and more become available as your following increases. Blog ads, sponsorships, and product reviews can turn your passion into profit. Affiliate marketing, brand deals, and even digital product sales can all bring in serious income over time. Even a small loyal audience attracts brands and deals. Companies love creators who connect authentically with their viewers. Consistency is key. Post regularly and engage with your viewers. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and build a community. You're building a personal brand and a long-term asset. Don't overthink it, just start. Every post is a step forward. Your first video won't be perfect, but it's the first step. You'll improve with every upload. Create, upload, repeat. The more you practice, the better you'll get. The only thing stopping you is not hitting record. Don't let fear hold you back. Content creation takes time, but the payoff can be life-changing. You'll gain skills, confidence, and maybe even a new career. Ready for your final push? The journey starts with a single step. Here's how to start your journey. Grab your phone, hit record, and let your creativity shine. There you have it, 3 powerful zero-investment ways to earn money online as a student in 2025. Microtasks for quick cash, tutoring for steady income, and content creation for long-term growth. Pick one method and take action today. Sign up, create a profile, or film your first video. Your journey to financial freedom starts with a single step. Subscribe for more tips, and let me know in the comments which method you're starting with. Now go out there and make that money.